Hi, my maths ninjas. Okay, real time talk. You know tables till 10, right? 2 ka table, 4 ka table, easy peasy. But the moment teacher says, ab 12 ka table, 13 ka table likho, pareshani shuru. Am I right? And that's where the most of us just give up and think, yaar, ye to bahut zyada ho gaya hai. This is not gonna happen. So here's the thing. Tables are literally everywhere in maths. Whether you are solving multiplication, division, or even those tricky word problems. Tables की जरूरत तो पड़ती ही है, right? But nobody teaches us the easy way to remember them. So we are just told rut low, and honestly, that's exhausting us. Plus, this doesn't even stick. याद ही नहीं रहते, no? So today I'm going to change that for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write tables from 11 to 99, not by mugging them up like a parrot, but by understanding simple patterns and tricks that will make you go. And you will say, okay, that was it. So we are going to talk about quick shortcuts that works easy, single time. Visual tricks, so you never forget them. Patterns that will blow your mind actually. And yes, we will make it so easy, you will actually enjoy learning tables. Sounds too good to be true? But trust me, it's not just maths explained the right way. Look, I know tables sound scary, especially when there are so many of them. But here's the secret. You don't need to memorize everything. You just need to understand the pattern. And once you crack the pattern, tables become like a game and you just play them along and get the answer. Simple? और अगर आप सोच रहे हो मेरे से नहीं होगा, then this video is specially for you because if you can count, you can do this, and I promise that. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's unlock this super part together. By the end of this video, tables won't be something you fear. They will be something you ace. Ready? Let's go. In order to learn how to write the tables of two-digit number, that is 11 to 99, the basic requirement is the anyone who's writing should have the knowledge of single digit numbers table. That is, one should know the tables from 1 to 9. So we will take one example to understand it better. So let's write the table of 16, right? So what we're going to do is we will write 16 like this, and as I said that we should know the tables of single digit number. So I will write all the tables or the table of 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We can extend this concept but we are writing till 10 only. Then similarly we will write the table of 6, 6, that is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. Now here's the magic begins. What we're going to write now. So now we're going to get the table of 16 in just single step. That is 16 will be written as it is. For the next number, we will write the ones place of here. That is 2 as it is, and then I'm going to write 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 8 as it is, 3 plus 1, 4. Then 4 as it is, 4 plus 2, 6. I hope you got the pattern now, and let's be quick. 0, 8, 6, 9, 2, 1, 1, 2, then 8, 12, 4, 14 and 160. Ta-da! So this is how we write tables so quick. Isn't it so cool? We've just written the table in few seconds. I've just taken some time to explain you. But I'm sure when you're going to write it yourself, you will be more quicker than me. So let's do one more. So now let's take up a little bigger number. Say, let's write the table of 47. So same process. We will write the table of 4 and 7. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. And then the table of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. And the last step for writing the table of 47, 47 ones are 47 as it is, 4 at the back, 8 plus 1, 9, 1 at the back, 12 plus 2, 14, 8, 16 plus 2, 18, then 5, 23, 2, 28, 9, 32, 6, 37, 3, 42, and 0 and 47. So here we go. We have written such a big table just like that. So I'm sure you have liked today's trick, and this is how you can write the table of any number that is a two-digit number. So my task for you is write the table of say 88, and do write in the comment how much time it took you to write the table of 88. See you soon. See you in the next video where we're going to learn the trick of dodging tables. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.